Hello everyone, welcome to PK Moneyverse YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. In this channel, we would be showing you practical and proven strategies on how to make money trading binary options and forex. In this video, we would be sharing with you a strategy that has been proven and you can use it to make money on pocket option. The first thing we would be doing is to set up the indicators for this strategy, bearing in mind that your chart should be set to the 1 minute time frame. So we'll be using three indicators for this strategy. We'll be using the one momentum, we'll be using one moving average, and we'll be using the zigzag indicator. So you are going to set up the zigzag indicator, adjust it. Personally, I'll be changing the color to blue
for you to use and
and
enjoy your life.
save, and I'll be fixing up the moving average. Change it from SMA to EMA and the period to 20, and I'll be fixing up the styles. Set the styles, change the color to white, preferably on 2 pixel. And okay, we'll be fixing up the momentum, and for the momentum I'll just be changing it to 2 pixel and switching from histogram to line, and I would save. And that is that we have this strategy all set up for success. So I'll be sharing with you the rule of this strategy. The first rule of the strategy is that at any point where the zigzag indicator crosses over the moving average, as you can see, at any point where it crosses over the moving average, as you can see here, it indicates the continuation of that trend. If it crosses over from top to bottom in a downward motion, it indicates the continuation of a downtrend. And if it crosses over from bottom to top in an upward motion, it indicates the continuation of an uptrend. So as we can see here, at this point it crossed over and the uptrend continued to and formed a new higher high. So we would be speculating that the market is about to continue reversing. The market had already reversed, but we want to know if this trend will continue and if it is safe for us to enter this trade or not. So I'll be drawing the trend line, and if the market should mimic our setup and the zigzag indicator follows suit, it will mean that the trend is going to continue and we know if it's safe or not. And as you can see here, the setup actually failed. The zigzag indicator never followed, so it means the trend didn't continue and we didn't get to enter on that particular trade. So as you can see, imagine if we had entered the trade, we would have lost. But thank God we did not enter the trade because the zigzag indicator never crossed over the moving average at the point where we speculated it to cross over. So we'll be moving to another market to see what the market holds, and this is the NZD JPY OTC, and just running a quick check and a quick analysis on this market. And we move to the CHF JPY, just checking market and running some analysis to see which market holds a favorable condition for us to trade on right now. So, and now we are on the NZD JPY, and we are mapping out our trend line to see if the zigzag indicator is going to cross over the moving average at any point from top heading to bottom, to prove to us that the downward trend will continue, so we can enter a sell trade in the downward trend. So that is what we are actually waiting for right here, to see what the market has for us and if we should good on this trade or not. So I'll be setting my trade amount to $500. I'll be using $500 for this particular trade. And then, just like we saw here, the market did follow our setup and we immediately entered a sell trade. Immediately you see the zigzag indicator follow this trend, you enter a sell trade immediately. And this particular setup gives up to 90% accuracy. Okay, it's a very nice setup that has been working, and I would like you to also try it out on your demo account and see. If you don't have an account on Pocket Option, click the link in the description to register an account, and you can also join the Telegram channel to get free signals, mentorship, and for account management services you can contact any of the admins in our Telegram channel. And as you can see here, we are almost running in profit, and boom, that was our first profit using this particular strategy. And as you can see, we started with about $1,000 and we have almost $1,500 just in one trade right now. Okay, we actually placed another trade. We placed another trade because the zigzag indicator still followed, like it kept on dragging, and every other indicator we used here showed a downward trend, including the momentum. But at this point we have to be careful, because if you're looking at our momentum indicator, it shows that if it touches the bottom line, it might soon bounce back. There will soon be a reversal in the trend. So after this trade, I wouldn't be trading on this particular downtrend anymore, because I am speculating a trend reversal. It might start buying very soon, but I am very positive this particular trade is going to run in profit. And boom, that was our second profit today, and we have almost doubled our balance. If you checked when we started this trade, we had just about 1,000, and we have almost $2,000. And as you see here, just like I speculated, the next candle started buying, as you can see. So this is why we have the momentum indicator in this strategy. It helps you know when to stop and when not to enter the trade. So that was that. As we can see, guys, this particular setup gave us profit. So I'd like you to try it out in your demo account before, study the strategy, work on it, and add whatever you feel needs to be added to it, and let me know the result in the comments. All right, love from here. Bye guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe to our channel for more videos and more strategies like this. Bye.